Hey there friends, welcome to another unboxing and review. Checking out this TOUGH ON MagSafe Qi2 3-in-1 wireless charger. Alright, let's check it out here. Got this sweet little case. So Qi2 is like the fastest current wireless charging, I think, that's out there. Up to 15 watts. Nice little bag here. Okay, looks like we got a couple of charging cables too, so if you want to do direct charging, got that nice USB-C to USB cord. Looks like it's got the nylon kind of a tear resistant but chew resistant, so it's good if you got pets. All right, let's check out this little bag here. So this one you can use to charge your phone, your watch, your earbuds, things like that. Folds out here. You can put your earbuds right here. This also has one, just pops out right here. Boom, put your watch on there and charge it. It's got the Qi2. If you have the MagSafe thing on there, should just stick on there and start charging automatically. Oh, it sticks on there really good. Okay. And here we have our little charger. I believe if you don't want to use the wireless charger, you can just, I'm going to plug this in real quick, take that off of there. It's always satisfying taking that plastic off of there. Okay, I think I can reach my wall outlet from here. Let's get this plugged in. There we go. The cord's about 3-4 feet long. I think it's just fast charging. If I just want to use the USB-C there to there, and 89%. Yes, super fast charging is enabled there on my phone. Okay, now let's check out the check this one out here. So I can plug it in here, and if I'm not going to use the other ones, I can just fold it down like that. Makes a nice little stable docking station. Little pads here on the bottom, so it's not going to slip around, so that's cool. I'll just throw my phone on there, and wirelessly it is fast wireless charging, so that's nice. Locks on there really good. I mean, look at that, it like holds the whole thing, so very convenient. Sleek design. I like how it's like non-slip, so it's not gonna like fall off your counter or anything like that. Yeah, quite nice, very compact. I like how the cord has this kind of the nylon cover on there, just in case. I got cats, and sometimes I had a wireless, or I had a had a microphone before, and they one little bite just ruined my whole microphone. So yeah, this is kind of nice to have that reinforced cord. You have the super fast charging if you just want to plug this into your phone, and then you have the fast charging with just the wireless. With the Qi2 is as fast as it's going to get. So nice and compact. I like that you can charge all three if you got the AirBuds or the earbuds, AirPods, whatever they're called, you know, and the watch too. You can throw it all on there. Take care of everything all at once and keep all your stuff nice and charged, and in a nice little area too. So folds up, easy to carry with you. It has a little travel case here. You can take everything nice and conveniently. Thanks for watching this review, my friends. I hope it's helpful. You guys have a great day out there, and I'll see you all next time.